If you want to create and analyze software structure graphs with Slicer, the first thing you have to do is to create a Slicer project. A Slicer project contains resources like graph database definition files, Cypher query files, custom mappings, and something like this. To create a new project, simply right-click in the Project Explorer and select New Slicer Project. Specify the name of your project and click the Finish button. The next thing you have to do is to set up a local jQAssistant database. In Slicer you can do this using a so-called database definition file. To create a database definition file, right-click in the Project Explorer and select New Slicer Database Definition File. You can select a database definition template using the key shortcut Ctrl-Space. To create a new local database, choose a Manage Local Database template. In the template you have to fill in the name of the software that you want to scan, as well as the port for the local jQAssistant server. The names of the storage directory as well as input directories are automatically set with derived default values. Finally, you have to create the scanning directory that is specified in the database definition and populate it with the Eureka web archive. After you've created the database definition, the database immediately appears in the Graph Database view. To initialize the database and populate it with a software structure graph, right-click on the database icon to open the pop-up menu and select Scan to scan the Eureka web archive. The model created by the scanner represents the structure of the scanned software on a raw level. jQAssistant uses so-called concept rules to enrich the database with higher level information to ease the process of writing queries. This typically means adding labels, properties, or relations. Select Enrich in the pop-up menu of the jQAssistant database to enrich the software structure graph. Finally, you have to launch the jQAssistant database server by selecting Start in the pop-up menu.